Next, I'm going to show you how our detector works. So a detector is used with a rotary laser when you can't see the physical laser. Now, this is often used outdoors when you're working at larger ranges or in a larger range indoors. The laser will work up to a 1,000-foot radius, but not always be visible to the eye. This will help me pick that up. Now, our detector is pretty simple. There's 4 buttons. You've got the power button all the way on the far left. Obviously, that will power on the unit. Next, I've got my Bluetooth. Now, the Bluetooth will allow my phone to connect to the detector. As long as my detector is connected to the laser, I can actually get a full 1,000-foot radius remote working range from my phone, which makes it a lot easier to control the laser and turns a 2-person job into a 1-person job, which I'll show you shortly. Next, I've got my accuracy. I can swap back and forth between 0.25 millimeters or 0.5 millimeters. The further away from my laser, the more the laser is going to expand and bloom. It's a very common problem among lasers, which is why the detector has this expanding function. It'll make it easier for the laser to be picked up by the detector. Lastly, I've got my volume controls, 3 settings. I've got silent, I've got an intermediate setting, and then I've got my loud setting so I can hear it on those loudest job sites.